Hello everyone, and welcome to the UNITE First Bootcamp. This event is organized by the European University Alliance UNITE with 7 partners. I'd like to mention already now that we're very thankful for the collaboration of all of our partners in organizing this event, and our partners are U Lisbon, Polito, INP Grenoble, UPC Barcelona, TU Darmstadt, KTH, and Aalto University in Finland. My name is Katrina Nordström, and I'm from Aalto University, and we have the pleasure to host this first bootcamp. This bootcamp, actually, the main theme is teaching and learning. I have the privilege to be the coordinator for the 2 task forces that are working on this theme. In this bootcamp, we have identified 4 topics that we think are very important for us and for Europe, and most of all for our students. We are going to start with an online toolbox that we have been working for almost half a year now, and that is progressing really well. We acknowledge that this situation worldwide calls for many very innovative pedagogies and online tools. That will be one of the focus areas of this bootcamp. These online tools, of course, have a lot of relevance in all of our teaching, and therefore we need to think about the practical implementation of the online tools and the learning that happens in those environments. So we're looking at flexible study paths, which of course is a very, very important topic when we think about the future education, of flexibility, of sort of individualized professional profiles. And we are trying to define what we mean by flexible study paths, because we're also developing joint programs. And this means more joint programs than just bilateral programs, which are traditional in universities. We're looking at joint programs with several universities. And we're looking at how we can increase, for example, right now also virtual mobility and the use of online tools for the best results in these joint programs and the best student experience for in-depth, very deep learning. Flexible study paths and joint programs are just 2 pathways that we're looking at. We want to also combine all of our good practices together, and we want to see what kind of support teachers and students need in these kinds of joint programs, flexible study paths, use of online tools. So there, of course, it's very important that we know what kind of pedagogical approaches we have, how can we support our teachers, how can we support our students. So these we will want to also share and maybe develop something completely new. Overall, I think that we'll have very exciting, good sessions, and personally, and I think for the whole team, we would like to dedicate this event for all teachers all across the world, from kindergarten to preschool to secondary level to university level, for the wonderful work that has been done and is done all the time for the future of Europe. Thank you.